I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's been a while since we hit the motherfucking junkyard. But I got an alert. I got a motherfucking alert. And the reason I really like don't be coming to the yard because one, they don't be having what the fuck I be looking for. Two, that shit be out the way. Three, I don't be having the time. But this morning, oh, I got that alert. Actually, I got the alert a couple days ago. So I was like, oh, I got to pull up. I got to pull up. Just because it's been so long. And I feel like this was a big part of the content for the channel. And then it just dried up. Not any fault of mine, but I don't know. Maybe it was my fault. Maybe people was watching LS Chevy Rider 254 videos and like, fuck it. I'ma park my car out versus sending that bitch to the yard. Yeah, that's a great idea. I don't know. My partner said I fucked up the game though. Well, guess what, bitches? We back again to fuck it up some more. Oh, yeah. There it go. Found it. Clip, front clip. Already gone, goddammit. Already gone. 77 to 90 Caprice. Usually put a nice sticker. All right. 1988. Now, another reason, like, so based off of a conversation I had with my boy TJ last night on live on TikTok. I didn't put a carpet out there, motherfucker. They making it easy. Got you a trunk. They done pulled out the glass out the motherfucker. Let's see, what the fuck I need? What the fuck do I need? I don't need nothing. Got a bumper. So I already took the front and the rear clip. But the bumper with the buttons, you know what I'm saying? If you don't want the strip, can't find the strip, don't want to pay for the strip, boom. There's that. Got some steel wheels like that. Seats kind of decent. But yeah, man, like I was telling my boy, man, like oh shit, I didn't even realize this motherfucker at one point in time had a roof in that bitch. God damn. Somebody was watching my videos and was like, yo, we finna do that shit. And then did that shit. Shout out to the roof niggas. Shout out to the roof niggas. Out here making it happen. I really wonder what led to it ending up in the junkyard though. It looked like they was coming along, man, and was trying to make some things happen with it and just got fed up. But don't get fed up, don't give up. I know that sometimes that shit can be a chore, man. These cars can be a fucking headache, man, but see it through, my boy. But yeah, see, like this motherfucker got the seats is already whooped. That shit say the Waco. This car came from Waco back home. The McLennan County Library, boy. Destiny Barber. Something. Destiny, come get your goddamn library card. Reading is the future, nigga. But yeah, man, shit. This is a perfect parts car, bro. Like, find one in your area. Go cut the fucking flow pins out there, bitch. Front, back. It don't gotta be like in my situation. I had a 2-door. Like, that motherfucker probably need to be a little bit more steady, but I guess it ain't going nowhere. I don't know if I like how they just started taking the fucking wheels off these hoes. But yeah, got 305 in there. All that goody good. Say engine good, trans good. You know what I'm saying? In this day and age, everybody's trying to go fucking LS swap. But if you not, and you just trying to fucking get your shit together and get him on the road, bro, like, this is it. Budget rental part, Belton, Texas. Oh yeah, I was doing reasons why I don't really do this shit no more. Like I said, the cars that I be covering don't really be here. And then on top of that, shit, motherfucking, they charge like $3 to get in this bitch. So, that might have had a little something to do with it. But it's all good. But yeah, I don't necessarily need anything. The only thing that I might need, and y'all may be able to answer the question, is the fender. As I know, on the fucking 2-door, that fender. Let me see. Well, nah, this one kind of fucked up too, so never mind. I don't think it's as bad as that other one, but I'm curious, could I take this fender, put it on that car? When I get to the house, I'm gonna do some measurements, but I really hadn't been looking or thinking about it or nothing like that. But there you go, peeps. 1988 Chevy Caprice. Another one hit the yard. That means there's one less on the street in the world. And honestly, for the rest of us niggas, our value just went up a little bit more. Look, I'm just telling the truth. You know what I'm saying? Tell the truth, shame the devil. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's a nice looking bumper though. I don't want to change my bumper because I done already bought bumper strips or the impact strips. But had they caught me a little earlier, but it only has the back bumper. It don't have the front bumper, I don't think. Yeah. Got a Caprice wheel from the later model in the front. Yeah, it ain't no bumper in here, so unfortunately there is no set, but it is what it is. Well, man, till the next time. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'll keep my radars and my antennas up when a new box or a G-body or a C10 hit the yard, and we'll take it from there. And I'll bring this content till the next time. We gone.